This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:09 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Florence, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence and Valley Farms. This includes Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 129 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Pinal, Arizona.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.